Is it possible to track who viewed my WhatsApp status?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that piques a lot of interest. Is it possible to track who viewed my WhatsApp status? We'll explore this question in detail and help you understand how privacy works in WhatsApp.
What is WhatsApp status?
To start off, let's define what WhatsApp status is. Introduced as a feature similar to Instagram Stories and Snapchat, WhatsApp status allows you to share text, photos, videos, and GIFs that disappear after 24 hours.
Can I see who viewed my status?
Yes, you absolutely can. WhatsApp allows you to see who has viewed your status. This information can be accessed right within the app, and it's simple to find.
How do I check who viewed my status?
Here's the step-by-step process to check who has viewed your WhatsApp status. 1. Open WhatsApp. 2. Go to the Status tab. 3. Your status updates will be listed there. 4. Tap on a status update and you'll see a little eye icon at the bottom of the screen. 5. Beside the eye icon, there will be a number which shows how many people have viewed your status. 6. If you tap on the eye icon, you'll see the list of people who viewed your status.
Is there a way to track viewers anonymously?
Now, some of you might be wondering, can I check who viewed my status without them knowing? Unfortunately, the answer is no. WhatsApp doesn't provide a feature that allows you to view your status viewers anonymously. If someone views your status, they will appear in the list of viewers as long as they didn't view it in stealth mode. Read receipt off. So there you have it. Yes, you can see who's viewed your WhatsApp status, but there's no way to do this anonymously. Remember, privacy is a two-way street. It's essential to respect other users' privacy while expecting the same for yourself. We hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to let us know if you have any other questions about WhatsApp.